How does the body replace donated plasma? When you donate plasma, your body usually replaces it surprisingly quickly because most of plasma is water. What happens after plasma donation? Water is replaced first. The body draws water from tissues, and you also replace fluids by drinking. Plasma volume can recover substantially within about 24–48 hours in healthy people. Electrolytes are restored. Your kidneys help regulate sodium, potassium, and other electrolytes so the plasma returns to its normal composition. Plasma proteins are rebuilt. The liver continuously produces important plasma proteins such as albumin and clotting proteins. These are gradually restored after donation. Antibodies are replenished. Antibodies are proteins made by immune cells. The body continues producing them, so levels gradually recover. Blood cells are largely kept. In a typical plasma donation, plasmapheresis, most red blood cells and other blood cells are returned to you. That's one reason plasma can generally be donated more frequently than whole blood, subject to local donation rules. In simple terms, your body replaces donated plasma mainly by restoring water and electrolytes quickly and continuously making the proteins and other substances that plasma contains.